Weather Extreme video. This is for Friday evening, the 19th of February. I'm James Spann. What a delightful day today. Tomorrow looks pretty good, but the weather turns very wet for part of next week, as you'll see. Check it out today. That's the water vapor satellite view. And yes, indeed, you can see that warm ridge expanding up into the southeastern states. And accordingly, it feels pretty good. And yes, we do have some 70s on the board. Montgomery, 72. Tuscaloosa and Muscle Shoals, 70. Birmingham at 69. We'll expect similar highs tomorrow and Sunday. Both days, most places will top out between 67 and 70. To the west, Shreveport, 76. Tulsa, 75. St. Louis at 76 degrees today. And nationally, the cold air being scoured out. A very nice thaw. But I caution you, winter's not over. We always have some deep cold snaps in March and April. Wind has been the biggest problem around the nation today. A lot of high wind warnings and wind advisories to the north, but other than that, things are fairly quiet. Rain for the next 5 days, valid between now and Wednesday morning of next week. Amounts between 1 and 2 inches are likely. And again, the timing of the rain next week seems to be still rather a complex situation, as you'll see. So let's take a look at model data. Model fans. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Heights are above average, a zonal flow. A weak front north of the state, but I really think most everybody will be dry tomorrow. A mix of sun and clouds. And again, the high tomorrow between 67 and 70. Sunday, dynamic support for showers will begin to increase, so we'll bring in a better chance of rain showers on Sunday, especially Sunday afternoon. Highs will be in the 60s, the sky mostly cloudy. Monday, looking wet. Good chance of rain throughout the day. The high will be in the low 60s. Now, Tuesday, the GFS takes that first wave and pushes it on to the east. And this is actually in good agreement with the Europeans, who are finally getting some decent agreement here. So it looks like Monday and Monday night, very wet. The rain ending probably early Tuesday morning, and then a break in the rain Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. But look at Wednesday. Another wave comes along with a chance of more rain. And this is the first time we've seen this idea, but the European is in good agreement. This is Wednesday at noon off the European model, and it's got a surface low tracking through here. So with that being the case, we'll go ahead and insert another good chance of rain late Tuesday night into Wednesday. And again, with all of this, we don't expect any severe weather and probably not enough rain for flooding problems. And then Thursday, all of that is on by. Thursday should be a sunny day with a high well up in the 50s. And this is a week from today, Friday the 26th, troughing to the north. And again, the weather looks dry with a high around 60, and the sky should be mostly sunny. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is Monday, the 29th of February. Yeah, it's a leap year. Cold front coming in with a band of showers and storms. And look at the cold air. Up north, that's a 1050 millibar high coming into the Dakotas. That is very cold, and we'll see if that can reach us. Look at the anomalies on Monday the 29th. That is brutally cold air through Minnesota and the Dakotas up into parts of southern Canada. And very warm down here, and that front, again, is something to watch. Now, on the teleconnections, the Arctic Oscillation does go negative. The NAO goes negative, and that could open up the door for some cold air toward the end of the month, but it's not reflected in the numbers yet. Coming off the GEFS ensemble, you see that little dip toward the latter part of next week, but other than that, numbers look pretty good with temperatures well up in the 60s into early March. But again, that could change. We'll keep a close eye on things. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video here will be Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the video updates here tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can, catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and weekend, and God bless.